All right, guys, here we go. 2016 Immaculate Collection Football NFL version. Random numbers, box 23. 6 people from this break are going to get a spot in a select full case PYT, which is actually breaking next, PYT number 9. The teams that are up for grabs in that PYT are Packers, Dolphins, Ravens, Steelers, Bills, and Colts, and they're listed in the order of most valuable to most inexpensive on the PYT pricing. All right, so after you guys get your numbers, we'll randomize the list 3 additional times. Top 6 people will then get those select teams, and then we'll random off the teams, line them up. Good luck for your numbers. I always do that. Roll a freaking 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 times just for the numbers. Good luck. Andrew FN24 on the bottom, ace team on top, 1. Second one, good luck. 2. T Tyler 516, hoping to land on a 101. Galactus 56 in the 99 spot. There's the top 33. T Tyler to Nick G. This is what I was looking for earlier. $34 to $66. Andrew FN24 to Bengals 88. All right, and 67 to 99. Ball don't lie to Galactus 56. All right, 3 more clicks on the names right here. Top 6 get select teams. 1, 2, and last one, good luck. 3. Tyler T 295, primetime hits. Cindy G3, Kate Crossman, C Siler 22, and Andrew FN 24. Winner winners. Put you right down here. Now let's see what teams you get. Packers on top, Colts on bottom. 1, 2, 3. Fins to Packers. Oops. All right, there you go. Tyler the Dolphins. Primetime hits Colts. Cindy G3 Ravens. K Crossman Steelers. C Siler the Bills, and Andrew the Packers. Congratulations to you guys that won those teams. That break is going next. That's select, so good luck in that one. And now on to the Immaculate box. Here we go. Ooh, man, that thing is thin. There's got to be some points or redemption in there. Or a Super Bowl auto. Or 2 Super Bowl autos. If those aren't numbered, they get randomized to everybody. 2 Super Bowl autos. Good luck. First up, Jeremy Langford, numbered 63 of 99. That is Robert Serro Jr. Go Gators. Well, I haven't seen that name in a little while. What's up, Roberts? Will Fuller, 29 out of 49. Giant Ducks. Jumbo patch, Devontae Booker, number 1 of 50. There you go. T. Tyler 516. All right, the first Super Bowl signature is Golden Tate. Oh, snap. Ooh. Gonna be randomized right now. Good luck. I'll show you the next one. It's the GOAT. Freaking Jerry Rice. So sick. Look at that. Oh, man. That's awesome. Super Bowl 23, Jerry Rice. Let's finish off the box and then we'll randomize. Sorry. And Tyler Irvin, 53 of 99. Who's got number 53? 53 is Giant Ducks. Second hit. All right. So we got Golden Tate first. We're going to hit the randomizer 3 times. Top spot gets Golden Tate. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. B Money gets the Golden Tate. Can't pick it up off the table. Got to slide it to the edge. And the Jerry Rice. Good luck, guys. 3 clicks. 1, 2, last one, 3. Kalakis, 56, gets the GOAT. Nice. All right, that's going to do it for our break, guys. Congratulations to the lucky winners. Thanks, everybody, for joining. And those of you that got in select, good luck in that one's going next. Peace.